Helsinki is hosting the annual Big Sailing event. Over 300 voluntary workers are joining to support security officers. Those workers need to be imported to Tactilon. The list is in Excel. A new organization has been created for the event. Now we import the list of users with the Tactilon import tool. First, we select the file. Tactilon validates the data. And we check that all data is valid. Next, we import the file, and the radio subscribers are created. We save the report of the import for later analyses. With only a few steps, all 312 subscribers are now in Tactilon and in the Tetra radio network. Now the volunteers are set for smooth communication during the event.